Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 66A or 13EC for .NET Framework, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. Then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components, and this one solution will fix the problem entirely. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. So this will do the job for us. Okay. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.